Welcome. If you want to take screenshot without using physical keys on your Motorola Edge 20 Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down to the bottom and go for the system. Next go for the gestures and find this option, 3-finger screenshot. As you can see, this option is enabled, so right now when I'm going to swipe up with my 3 fingers, I can capture the screen. I mean, click and hold. And the screenshot was taken. Click on it and then you can just share, edit or put to the trash. So, just click and hold with 3 fingers any screen that you want to capture. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.